How to download files from Claude AI. Let's say that you want, for example, a PDF. Now we just asked Claude AI to make us a PDF file about a random thing, it doesn't matter what. Now to download a file, you simply just click download right here. And there you go, it's saved now. For me, the default opener, as you can say, is the Brave browser that I'm using right now. But to open it in a different program, you just right click on it, open with, and then choose your program. Let's now ask it to make us a presentation. Now, as you can see, it has like a preview window so you can see the presentation, but we just want to download this. By clicking the download button, let's save. Let's just upload this to see if it can transfer over to Google Slides. And there you go. That's how to download files from Claude AI. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.